Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Good morning guys, welcome to Emerald House of Cars. My name is Greg and today I'm going to be giving you a quick virtual tour or walk around of your potential next family SUV. Now, Kia, what can we tell you about the brand? Well, we can tell you that they're Korean, we can tell you that they've made tremendous strides in the last few years, and we can tell you that they're offering you German quality cars for a fraction of the price. Now, this particular 1.4 Sportage ISG comes equipped with a fantastic array of features, and you can see from this angle you've got that sports styling. So without further ado, let's get stuck in here. You can see you've got your headlights, really cool. Now on there you can see you've got the gloss black texture all the way across, and you've also got the chrome contrast styling. You have got deep pearl black paintwork. Now on there it's a deep rich black metallic that again against the contrasting chrome looks fantastic. Moving down here you can see you've got the diamond cut alloy wheels finished in a deep black / grey, which is metallic, and of course the diamond cut rim finish. You've got what I call the 4x4 pack. You can see over here you've got the plastic coloured bumpers, and then you move across, fog lights finished in gloss black and chrome. You've got the chrome lip all the way across, and you've got the lip on the front diffuser. Moving up, you've got the geometric futuristic design with the front camera, which forms part of the system, and you can see on there you've also got the chrome across the bumper. Headlights are angled so they look sharp, and you've got the gorgeous grooves all the way across to give it a more sporty appearance. Second alloy wheel, you can see on this side you've got gloss black on the A-pillars, chrome around the window housing, gloss black on your B-pillars, which of course is satin finish just here so it saves any marks, aluminium or chrome roof bars, and you can move all the way down and you can see you've got chrome along the side skirts, chrome on the door handles, and you can also see up top you've got a lip spoiler with a high level brake light. Now moving across you've got your rear LED lights. Now if I click on the button you can see that they'll flash just on there, and you can also see moving all the way across they've got that gorgeous sweeping line all the way around. Got the Kia badging, and of course moving down, reverse camera, rear parking sensors, satin on the diffuser as well as the chrome. Now to open the boot, click the button on the key, hold it down, you can see that your indicators flash on the bottom half just down here. So if you lock it and if you unlock it, and on there you can see that all the indicators flash down the bottom. Now that signifies that it's open. Click the button just underneath, push it up, your button is there just next to your reverse camera, and you can see you've got loads of space in there, ready and fully equipped to house any storage you may have. And underneath you've got your donut wheel, and of course you've got your jack toolkit and a bit more space if needed. Now as it's a manual boot, just close it gently, don't need to slam it. That is now shut, done, dusted, sorted, latched, locked, whatever you want to say. And you can see the camera and we don't lie, the presentation is fantastic on this. Yes, it's a bit wet, yes it's a bit rainy, but you would still see any standout marks, which of course you cannot because there are none. Right, now moving into the VIP section behind the slightly tinted privacy glass when you open the car, which would be fantastic. Let's just open this up. There we go, 5th time lucky, Greg. You can see you are greeted by a gorgeous cabin space. Now in here you've got the leather seating, white contrast stitching. Now on the 2 outer seats you can see you've got that white perforated centre, you've got full isofix, and then you can see around here you've got white piping, height adjustment as well. And in the middle what you can see here is you've got your drop down box, which of course is an armrest and dual cup holder. And you can see plenty of leg room for rear occupants, a USB, a 12-volt charger as well. And you've also got heated outer rear seats. Told you, it was big spec. That on a BMW, 650 quid. On the Sportage, all included. Now, cabin space, in terms of driver and occupant in the front, has to be great, as it's where you spend most of your time. And you can see this one has no issues coming to the demand. No pan roof or sunroof on this one, but you can see you do get the heated seating. Again, sport seats. You've got the perforated leather, white piping, no rips, no stains, no marks. Now we're on the bolster, you can see here, electric lumbar support, electrically adjustable seating, Sportage livery, rubber pedals. You come down, you've got the JBL premium audio system. This side you can see you've got electric folding auto adjustable mirrors. You can also see here you have got your central locking, and you've got your electric windows. All that finished in a combination of leather, white stitching and piano gloss black. Then moving inside, where it's a lot warmer than it is outside, you can see not only do you get your nice warning charm, you've of course got your blind spot assist. You can see you've got lane departure, and on here you can see you've got auto start stop, and of course you've got your instrument cluster lighting and headlight range. You've also got the extended leather all the way across the dashboard. Again, BMW £325 option all the way across. And on there, don't forget you've also got chrome on the door handles, around the air vents, and of course around your inbuilt touchscreen media system. Now to turn it on, very simple, click the button once, that'll be orange when it's not ready. Foot on the clutch, foot on the brake, press it on again, and you can see you can turn it on. Job done, easy as that. Now we are going to turn that aircon down. You can see in the middle, not only do you have speed limit assist, again German car, optional extra, but on here you've got your analog clock format in black faces, you've got your white and red contrast font and needling, and you've got your digital information display. Now that is controlled using these buttons here. So if I scroll down, I've got digital speedo, drive information, accumulated info and fuel economy. I've got my navigation, which gives me any instructions I need to be aware of. Lane keep assist, I've got attention level, and I've got tyre pressures. And then on here you can see I've got driver assistance, ESC, I've got speed limit warning, driver attention warning, lane safety, collision warning, collision, rear cross traffic, blind spot as well. Got auto lock or unlock on the doors. I've got the light options, I've got different sound options, convenience features, welcome mirror light, wipers lights, auto, icy road warning, service interval. If I click on there you can see it's not due for quite a while. You've also got other features on there, fuel economy, temperature unit, and other boring little bits and bobs. But overall it's a very, very impressive car that has pretty much every single option in terms of convenience and assistance. Now moving down from here, not only that, you can see if you turn your lights on, you've also got auto high beam just here, and you can see on this side you have of course got your auto wipers just there. Now what else is great about this is, of course, you can see here on the side of the steering wheel you've got voice control, audio source, volume, Bluetooth telephone, cruise control, and then of course here your instrument cluster menu. Now on the steering wheel itself, soft touch leather, black stitching, concave base, not flat bottom, satin, and almost a leatherette effect in the middle with the Kia badge. Really, really smart. Manual adjustment for the steering wheel, push button start, and then you come round onto the media system. Now on here you can see nice big display, high resolution, high contrast, high definition, a really crucial driving aid. Now what you can do is go back, you can have a split screen if you wish. Click on the home button, go on all menus, and you can see you've got your phone, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, subject to when the device is connected and compatibility. Your radio, DAB, FM, AM. At the minute, someone who's drove this has got terrible music taste. I'll blame the valeting team. And you can change all the different settings on there as well. But in terms of functionality and having all the features you'd want, this is right up there. Moving down, you can see JBL Bluetooth audio system. You've got the touchpad version here if you wish. Down here you've got your aircon. You can see temperatures are at the top. So if I change it, you can see up there you've got your different options. And that of course means you've got dual zone, auto, climate control as well just here. You can see you can click it on if you wish, you can change your temperature. You've also got heated seats, heated steering wheel, USB, dual 12-volt chargers, storage, and then round here you've got the black plastic finish, you've got descent control, audible parking sensors, and camera view. Now on here you of course can see that you can change your different options. So you have got a standard reverse camera, you've got the standard camera, the 360 camera, you also got the front right, and you can change your settings as well on there. But for me, I will be having that one where I've got the 360 and of course the front as well. Now, moving down from that, electronic parking brake, auto hold for the hills, dual cup holder, phone, wallet, storage holder, leather armrest, lift that up, and you can see here you've got storage as well. And then finally the gearbox, satin, flat leather, black of course with chrome on the leather, and then a black head. Now to put it in reverse, very easy, manuals are quite simple. Lift this up, push it across, push it up, and there you go, your reverse camera is activated. So, as I said, if you're after a family SUV for a fraction of the price of one of its German rivals, but with arguably more spec than what you get for one of the equivalents, and why not take a look at the Kia Sportage? Fantastic build quality, great warranty options, and of course a truly wonderful spec. Now, not only that, as it's a 1.4 ISG, that means it's going to be very good on fuel return as well, unless you've got lead in your right foot. But what else is great is knowing that this car, of course, has been treated to the 128-point Emerald check prior to retailing. Now what that means is that this car's been given our on-site RAC approved inspection, which you can see on our website. Now, if you're looking at purchasing the car, there's a few options. Cash, yep. Finance, yep. Many of the market leading partners with over 30 as our partners. We've also, of course, got our click and deliver option, or you can come down and meet the team. So for any more info, please speak to myself, Tom or Victoria. We'll be more than happy to help. But for me, thank you for your 11.5 minutes. I've really enjoyed the video. I hope you have too. And more importantly, we hope to hear from you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10. I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.